I'm Dave, and this is Austin's Kamado Joe Masterclass.
You know how to hold 225 degrees for 12 hours. You know exactly how long a pork shoulder should rest. But when somebody asks what goes with the brisket, you draw a blank. That's how it was for me too. I know my way around a brisket, but sides, appetizers, dessert, that was somebody else's job. So I wrote the book that fixes that. It's called The Texas Backyard Kitchen, Complete Meals from Fire to Table. 88 recipes across breakfast, appetizers, mains, sides, salsas, sauces, rubs, and desserts. Every one of them designed to work together so you're not standing in your kitchen at 4 in the afternoon Googling, what goes with ribs? Let me walk you through what's in here. Breakfast, Sunday morning stuff, homemade applewood smoked bacon, huevos rancheros, chorizo breakfast tacos. Now appetizers. In Texas, appetizers keep the guest happy while they wait. Chorizo jalapeno poppers, zesty Texas caviar, smoky brisket queso. Main courses. This is where the Kamado Joe earns its spot on the patio. Grilled brisket burgers seared in beef tallow, smoked prime rib, no bean Texas chili, homemade smoked pastrami, brisket stuffed chili rellenos, and a smoked meatloaf that'll change the way you think about meatloaf. Side dishes, creamy Texas coleslaw with cilantro, smoked mac and cheese, smoked charro beans, jalapeno cheddar cornbread, and cheesy garlic rolls so good you'll want to skip the main course. These are the dishes people go back for twice. Salsas, sauces, and rubs. This is the stuff that makes everything else better. Jalapeno relish, your own chili powder, bacon jam with bourbon and maple syrup. And dessert. Texas peach cobbler, triple chocolate Dutch baby, dark chocolate bread pudding with salted caramel sauce off the Kamado Joe. The kind of finish that keeps everybody hanging around the table. These are just some examples of what's inside. Most barbecue cookbooks teach you how to smoke a brisket. This one does that, but it also gives you dinner on a Tuesday, a barbecue book for the Kamado Joe, and a go-to cookbook for every other day of the week. The Texas Backyard Kitchen, available as a digital download right now. A link is in the description and the pinned comment. Thanks for supporting my channel.